Good morning from the farm at Homestead Cove. We have some exciting construction updates to show you, so we're gonna give you a little tour and see what kind of progress we've made. This is the front door. We finished staining and sealing this last weekend. We did this by taking the door down, and we did it in a kind of clean room that we made out of the office. I'm really happy with the way that the color came out. I think it's beautiful. Even prettier once we get that painter's tape off. Really excited about that. So let's go in and see the drywall. Office is done. Living room and kitchen. I'm so glad that this ended up so open feeling here. So we can walk into the kitchen area. Dining room area and the kitchen. So stove will go there. Pantry. We did a good job around that. That's where the fridge will go there. Sink here. Looking out into the living room. What do you think, Jackson? You like it? You like your house? Let's go see Jackson's room. So this is the dog room, which will not be entered this way. This is actually going to be a wall that we will be doing after construction is finished. With some sort of bars and barn doors that'll slide over it, so we can see the dogs when we want to, and we can close them off when we don't. We're gonna go down this hall. This is the mudroom area. We'll have shelving and a bench and hooks and closet type space all through here. This is the guest bath is in there. Hard to see without the light. Guest bedroom. This bedroom has the best view down to the water. You can't see it right now. Once we take some more trees out and once more leaves fall, you'll be able to see the water much more clearly. So, guest suite is here. Can't really get through there, but this is the laundry room, and that's the access to the dog room there. So I'll show you. We're also going to do a lot of built-in cabinets in this space where my small appliances, all my kitchen stuff from crock pots and everything else I have, which is a lot, will go in there. So this is the dog room. Jackson will have a great view of the outside. And this will be the dog's shower. Also where his water bowl will go and that kind of thing. And we'll be getting other dogs as well. Right now it's just his, but it will house other dogs. It's not just for one dog. Okay, so we can't really get out to the porch. We still have to do some work on the fireplace. Now, I have not seen this done since yesterday, but this is the bedroom. How exciting. My closet. And I really enjoyed writing all these messages on the framing. So let's walk in the closet and see how it feels. Oh, it feels good. So I'll have a dressing table under this window, and I will have, not really sure how I'm going to do all of this yet, but I have a lot of Pinterest ideas how to build out this closet. We'll be doing that work ourselves. And Mike's closet is here. Not nearly as cool as mine, but what does he really need it for? And we'll walk through here to the bathroom. So this is the master bath. And go back this way. So that's the house. We're very excited. I'm hoping things start moving very quickly now. about that bathtub being under there.
They've got to come back still. These aren't screwed in yet.
Jackson always goes right to the shower. Everywhere we go.
The others still got some to go.
Yeah, I figured. This bathroom, for those of you who are watching, if you ever went to the house that we moved from in Flat Rock, this is the same exact bathroom. We just replicated that bathroom. We were very familiar with the space and liked that layout. So we kind of knew what that would be. Hey Mike, check out your closet.
Why check out my closet?
Because it looks cool. It's not as cool as mine, but it's cool.
Lots of space.
Yes. Mine is so cool. There's a lot of space. It's gonna be so nice.
They got a lot done.
They did, yeah. I didn't think that they were done either. Because this... Jackson? There are already too many boys in my kitchen right now. So, some of you know this, but this is true. I am designing a rope that will go from here to there to keep people...
Here to here. So we can sit in the dining room.
You'll eat when I tell you you can eat.
Well, the rope is going from here to there.
Well, maybe so. Maybe it'll go from there to there, where this will be the cast iron wall right here, where Mike's going to design a cool wood thing for me to hang my cast iron on. Either way, I'm making a rope that will extend to keep people out of my kitchen, because it just drives me bonkers when I'm trying to get stuff done and people come in very sweetly offering help. And then this one does that in the middle of the kitchen floor. So he's going to know that when the rope is up, he cannot come in. Isn't that right, Jackson? I think this space feels really good.
Mm-hmm.
And you're right, I was telling our viewers that the lake's down there and this room has the best view. You just can't really see it. Either way, it's still a great view, even just of the trees.
That'll be the camera.
Oh, security cameras. Oh yeah, because we'll want to be able to see the dogs, because I'm a nutso dog mom. So there has to be a camera on the dogs. This part of the porch, so all the siding on the porch, on the front porch and the back porch, will be this really pretty green color. We tested it out, it's gorgeous. And then the ceiling and that trim right there will be this really nice brown color that matches the soffit. Let me see if I can show you. So that, I don't know if you can really tell, that soffit color, I had the painters match to that color. And so that's the color that's going up here. And then the green will be on the front. I wanted the whole house to be green, but we only did the hardy board on the porches, and then we did vinyl around, and we just couldn't find a great green in the vinyl that we loved. So we're gonna do this two-tone thing that I think will be pretty cool. We're videoing.
Trailer?
Huh? Did they use the trailer?
The trailer. There's still a lot of trash in there.
Yeah. So they've done some of the grading. The septic tank is in. That's really exciting. Side door, which is how we'll go in and out most of the time, because that'll go into that mudroom area. That's where Jackson will come in and out. Won't you, buddy? You tired already? We only been here 10 minutes. So over here, septic tank is out there. You can see those markers. This will all be graded down. It's just not done yet. And come down here. There's Punch Face, my favorite tree. Punch Face gets to stay. Look at the house. And there's the back of it. You can see the fireplace up there, maybe. Not sure how well you can see with the sun shining so beautifully. So the back, again, will be that green color, and that'll be a propane fireplace. And then inside we'll have the wood-burning wood stove. It's a beautiful day. It's warming up really nicely. Got some rocks. We'll do a lot of things with rocks. It's amazing how much rock is on this property. We've really got a good mix between rock and clay and good topsoil. We've got a lot of good stuff here.